Hi guys, welcome back. I am digging around today in some of my stash, using up some of what I have, and decided to share with you just a couple of things that I'm doing. So I am working with my stamps, and I have this French script stamp, and then of course I showed you the other stamps that we did the little stamping on the Amazon paper with. And then I brought out some of my ribbon. That's a Dollar Tree. I'm sure it's a Dollar Tree find. If not, it's a secondhand store find. So anyhow, we're working here, and we're going to make some basic, you could call them tags, but really I think they're small journaling cards, because there's no hole in them, or they're not cut like a tag, but I suppose they could be. I don't think they'll fit in my tag maker. So we're just going to call them small journaling cards. And sometimes you just need a little something, you know, just a little tiny something to journal on. And then sometimes you just need something tiny to finish off a pocket, you know, to give it a focal point. So you could use these. And thirdly, I'm using up my scraps. All right, so then I thought, well, this would go good in the center, just like that. So we're going to put this in the center. Come on. Just like this. There we go. And voila, instant journaling card. Although I don't think I got enough glue. That was weird. Okay, now it's deciding to stick. Get that all spread around there. Where's it gonna land? Come on, land here, butterfly. All right, so there we go with that one. See, that looks pretty good. And then this one, you could just leave it alone. It's got that script in the back, and then that stamp that I got from Temu that I was so excited about. So we could leave that one, or we could dress up the flower by putting a flower on it, or another different kind of flower. I have those ones my daughter gave me. No, I think I'm just going to leave that one. And then this one was kind of light. This one I'm going to leave too. That one turned out really nice, just like it is. And then this one was light. This one was light. These ones will embellish. That one I definitely need to. Look at that blob. It's like it got a tattoo that didn't turn out right. And then my birds, I'm just going to leave them. Oh, I thought about putting something on the bottom though. That would indicate they were standing on it. So would they stand on this? Would this work if we went down below? No, I think I like it just as is. Just as is good for me. And then I have this fabric. Maybe I should go this way. Nope. I don't think that was the right way to go. Certainly not. That's weird. I guess it is this way. Oddly enough, no. Yeah, no. Doesn't want to go anyway at all. So I think we'll just cut it and then pull some strings. He's good the way he is, but I think maybe I could do, no, that just doesn't look right. There's the tattooed one I think I want to put here, right? Yeah, we'll take a couple more out of this bottom because it's not quite frayed enough, if that makes sense. There we go. More maybe. There we go. We'll glue that there. Yeah, we'll glue that here. And then we'll put a big focal point on the front, on top of it. Just like so. What do we want for a focal point, guys? We could do a flower. A flower might work. Let's try the flower. Let's try the flower. That'll work. And then, yeah, I think that'll work. What are we gonna, what color do we want to ink it with? We got red, green, and black. I don't think I want to do the black. We want to do the red. Do we want to do the green? Green might look good. All right, let's do the green. Or, no, let's do the black. Let's do the black. On account of, I'm in that grunge, you know? And I lost my dot. There it is. We'll do it in the black. It's probably going to show up better anyhow. Yes, good choice. Good choice. Then we'll go around these edges and edge them. So yeah, I like the way this one turned out too. So see, it doesn't take much. Watch at your, your thrift stores, your thrift shops for used stamps. Yeah, we'll go there. And I know how to make it final pop. All right, so let's get this glued down. You just have to be careful when you're doing things like this that they'll fit in your pocket, because if there's anything raised, like a three-dimensional something, it's going to cause problems going into a pocket. You know what I mean? So see, I could use one of these for the center of that flower because it's not huge, but it could cause a problem. And I only need one flat. Flat back, there you go. Okay, so we're going to put a dollop of glue in the center of this flower and pray. Right there. Now that other glue will dry clear. You won't see that here in a while. Just scooch that up. Scooch that up. Now it is hot here today. Look at that. So yeah, this glue will dry, and then you'll have that, just that shiny little extra in the corner. Now, if you really wanted to go all out, and we can, let me get my die cuts that I got in my Happy Mail. Well, I know I have a big bag of die cuts. I just got them in the mail. I did a box unboxing of them. This is interesting. So you could do a lot of different things. That's while we're secretly searching. Oh, and I got another idea for you as well. Well, I don't know what I did with them. It's okay. We can do those another day. Here they are. They've fallen. So in my bag of goodies, I have some leaves. I have big leaves and I have small leaves. See, something like this could look good there, but it's a little large, right? Yeah, I think these are going to be too big. But always remember your dies. Now I have a little leaf die, a small one, which would work, but we're not going to mess with that right now. What I am going to show you is another something we can do. Right, so there's that one. My husband says it looks like little money. No, not those ones. The other ones I did. He will probably say the same about this. Okay, so we got this, this, and this. So look already in just a few minutes what we have. So you got stuffing. You know, if you're wanting to just quickly fill pockets, there you go. But I want to show you one more other thing that I had printed. And I've only know of one other person that's doing this or has done it. So I don't want to offend anybody, but what I had done mine a long time ago. So if you're doing this, you know, I'm not leaving anybody out. But I had done these labels, right? Let's see if we can find a pretty grungy one. This might work. Kind of a fall color. So then I started following Crafted by Christy, and I noticed that she had done that. In fact, hers are gorgeous, and I ordered a set from her. Let's go with this one maybe. And so I would encourage you to watch for her live sales and see if she's not got those out. Let's go with the lighter of the two. And these I just printed, like I said, I just printed them on address labels. I want this one. Isn't this cool? So if I get stuck, then I'll just do something like this. Cut it off. Cut it off. And then maybe put that large leaf on it. I think I'll put him back in here. I think I put my large leaf back in here. Here's one that'll work. That'll work. Maybe. I think that'll work once we ink it. Now I'm going to go out on a limb here, and I'm going to try something crazy. We'll see if it works. Again, you're just, you know, if you don't like it, take it apart, cover it up, add something else to it, throw it away. It's your art. Do what you like. Okay, so we'll put you here, right? And then I can do, let's see how this looks. If I don't like it, I can throw it away. We'll put this about center. Look at that. That's not bad. Not bad at all. I like it, actually. And then we'll ink around our edges. And you have instant ephemera. So heavy. Perfect. See, that turned out good. I like. So it's basic. Super, super easy peasy. Basic stuff. Now, what do I do with my other stack? Let's say I like leaves. Yeah, that might work. All right, now we got our leaves. And I'm going to try to get this on here dark. Going to try. And then we're going to quit, guys, really. If I don't, I'm going to be in here forever. Oh, I can't quit yet. I got another idea. It's kind of faint, but still looks okay. See? Looks okay to me. Now, you could do letters, numbers, anything you want. Anything you want. We got bees. Could do bees. Anything you want, guys. And then you can add whatever you want to it later or not. It is up to you. Okay, so that is our ephemera on a budget. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are enjoying the series. And next week, Thursday, I'm going to break out that Book Lover's Journal and we're going to work on that. I'll already have the signatures done. That'll get done this week. And so when you see it, it'll be coming together. We'll be getting ready to do a giveaway soon. Actually, I think I ordered 2 sets of those stamps. And if that's the case, I'll be giving those away as well. So stay tuned, guys. Lots coming up. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.